In one city, a pizzeria opened, unique in that its delivery couriers move around the city at near light speeds. Upon learning about this, a certain resident of the city ordered pizza for delivery. The courier, upon receiving the order, grabbed the freshly baked hot pizza and raced to the customer at near light speed, covering the entire distance in an insignificant fraction of a second. However, due to well-known relativistic effects, several years had already passed for the customer during that time. And now he refuses to pay, as the delivery took an unreasonable amount of time. But the courier disagrees, claiming that he completed the route almost instantly. A solution is born from their dispute. The customer will pay for the pizza only if it is hot. The courier agrees. After all, he knows that the pizza was just made. The customer also agrees to the condition, as he understands that the pizza was delivered over several years and has long cooled down. And now they open the box. The question is, what will the pizza be like? Hot or cold? It is very important here, as I have already replied to you by email, and the answer is more oriented towards, let's say, a general audience, because you receive detailed information on this matter. We will not go into detail about the setup right now, but nonetheless. The game of consciousness is based on the assumption of some deviation of time. You are correct in your assumption. But despite all this, there is a certain reference frame. A reference frame for the pizza, a reference frame for the observer. The observer sees that the pizza is being delivered for some amount of time. It doesn't matter how long, whether large or small. Meanwhile, the pizza and the courier delivering the pizza see this in their own reference frame. It is logical to recall this thought experiment again, that different trains, when a person is standing at the station, and when a person is traveling on the train, events occur for them. Let's say, over different times, and this is a completely normal and understandable phenomenon when we talk about relativity. A video on relativity will be released on the channel soon, on the main topic, so to speak. And in this case, it turns out that we have a system that describes the state of the pizza, which does not conform to the system that describes the state of everything else. In other words, no matter how much time passes inside the system for the pizza remains hot. And the answer to your question is simple. When the pizza is delivered, it will be hot. Even though, let's say, 5 years have passed, it turns out that the pizza was in the box for only 2 to 3 minutes. This is quite a normal phenomenon. Why? There is no need to get hung up on how the clocks will behave, where time slows down and where time speeds up. We simply rely on the fact that the measurement system for the pizza remains the same. Therefore, the pizza will fully conform to the thermodynamic processes occurring within its system. All processes will occur with the same intensity over the same time.